What would happen if you sold shawarma in the time of the pharaohs? Day 1. The aroma of roasting meat and warm spices fills the streets. People stop walking. Crowds surround your cart. Nobody has ever tasted anything like it. Every bite spreads your name across Egypt. 3 months. You're drowning in gold. Your hands move faster than your brain. Muscle fibers twitch from slicing meat all day. Your lungs burn from the smoke. Your heart pounds as nobles and priests fight to buy the last wrap. 1 year. The pharaoh summons you to the palace. One meal decides your fate. Every eye watches as he takes the first bite. The room falls silent. Your central nervous system goes into overload. One wrong reaction, and the guards move in. Then he smiles. The palace erupts.